Today we are going to talk about amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation called AM and frequency modulation called FM are two primary methods used in analog modulation to transmit information via radio wave. Last week we are talking about modulation and why we need to modulation during transmission. So now we are talking about two modulation methods called AM and FM. So here is the data signal wave and here is the carrier wave. Data signal wave we want to transmit, and the carrier wave with higher frequency we want to transmit the data signal. So with the data signal wave plus the carrier wave, we can get the AM wave. So in AM, the amplitude of carrier wave will change corresponding to data signal wave. At the high point or peak of data wave, the amplitude of carrier wave is strongest, and the lowest point or trough of wave, the amplitude of carrier wave is the weakness. In AM, from peak to trough, modulation become weak, and from the trough to peak, the modulation becomes strong, and the result wave frequency remain the same as the carrier wave. So it only amplitude will change. So now we are going to talk about advantage and disadvantage. So advantage is simple receive design. AM receive are relatively simple and inexpensive to design and manufacture. Bandwidth efficiency, AM typically use less bandwidth compared to FM. And for disadvantage, noise susceptibility, AM signal are more susceptible to noise and interference, as both signal and noise affect the amplitude. Lower sound quality, AM generally has low sound quality compared to FM, particularly in the presence of noise. So AM is commonly used in broadcasting, AM radio, variation, communication, and emergency broadcast.